Despite an overall increase in direct payments to the farming sector at national level in 2016, the picture at individual farm level varies significantly, depending on participation in farm schemes, and the redistribution of the basic payment that is ongoing. Every farmer should be considering the financial benefits that taking part in new schemes may bring. Look at options like the Beef Data Genomics scheme, which may present extra income opportunities. Farm Assist is a means-tested payment for low-income farmers. The means test takes account of virtually every form of income but assesses it in different ways and disregards various amounts. Different rules apply to income from farming and other forms of self-employment, income from certain schemes, income from employment, and income from property and capital. There are additional income disregards if you have children. Your means from all sources are added together to get a total weekly means. You'll be paid the difference between your total assessed weekly means and the maximum rate of Farm Assist that you could get if you had no means. When you apply for Farm Assist, a social protection inspector will call to see you and ask to see various documents. For example, accounts prepared for tax purposes, creamery returns, cattle registration cards, details of EU scheme payments. They will also want information on the sale of crops, cattle, milk and other produce. The inspector will then assess the costs actually and necessarily incurred in connection with the running of the farm. These costs may include rent, annuities, the cost of inputs like feed and fertilizer, and the depreciation of farm machinery. Labor costs are taken into account, with the exception of the labor of the farmer and their spouse, civil partner or cohabitant. You are entitled to receive a copy of this farm income calculation. The current maximum personal weekly rate for a person with no dependent children is €193. This is increased by €128.10 for dependent adults, for example, your spouse, and €29.80 for dependent children. Teresa Murphy is a barrister based in Co, Galway, Indo farming.